Good morning, guys. Let's go over ADA, Cardano, probably one of the most requested videos here recently. Let's go over this. This chart may look crazy, but it's actually very simple. All it shows is 4 buy limits and then our break-even entry. So we had a position that we took up here on November 9th at 222. I'm currently in this trade with you guys, by the way. We had our second buy limit here on November 10th at 195, and our third buy limit hit here on November 21st. We never hit our fourth buy limit, so that's awesome. So our break-even entry on this trade is at 189, and we have been down on this trade, guys. We've been down a total of 37%, but we have come back all the way into moving up in price from 37%. We're down only about 21% here. So we've brought the trade back about 16% by doing only one thing, and that's staying patient. All right, guys, we're currently sitting at 100 for 100 wins on this channel. And sorry, real quick, a lot of you guys it's funny how many questions I get about this. You guys are wondering, how did I get Telegram pinned to the side of my computer? I actually don't. I simply just have Chrome opened up here, and then I just pull the tab over, and this is Telegram right here to the left. Anyways, I get questions about that, like, how did you do that? I literally just have Telegram open, and I just pull this over to show you guys. So in Telegram, our goal was hit. We did just hit 100 for 100 wins on this channel, and you guys are able to take all of these trades with me, all of them. Literally, if you guys want a place where you will probably not ever lose a crypto trade again, it's very likely. We may in the future. I'm not going to try to be that arrogant, but with the risk management and our indicators and our metrics, we're probably not going to lose another trade. So I'll show you guys in the second half of this video how to get into those trades there so you guys can take advantage of those. But I first want to get into the actual analysis for ADA here. Okay. Here's what I want to be looking at here. I actually wanted us to take a look at this. I want to take us to the dominance chart. So guys, everybody click up here. If you guys are doing this on your own or just watch me, that's fine. ADA.D. This is the dominance chart for Cardano. Let's give this a second to upload. And then I'm going to take this orange line and I'm going to throw it all the way down to the date. That's going to put it in a different window. And I'm going to throw it up here and I'm going to go up here. What we're seeing in here, if you guys remember what I've been calling in the past here about the dominance chart, is that when the dominance has been really low like this in the past, which I'm going to show you guys two areas, which is the area over here and the area over here, we have seen some very nice bull runs in Cardano, okay? We saw an incredible bull run over here. We actually dipped lower than the point over here, or if not arguably exactly to the same point down this area. This is right here. What has happened in the past when dominance has been this low? I'm going to keep saying this because I do believe this is the future of ADA. We saw a 137% pump. We then saw an 83% pump, a 71% pump, and then a 46% pump, followed by a 193% pump. This is why I've been so bullish on ADA for such a long time, and I've been telling you guys, I know we're going down like crazy, but you should be buying the dip. Now, let's put some projections in here, because since we've dipped down here, from the price range perspective, we have already come up a total of 26%. We haven't even hit the original 46% pump, and that's the smallest one. If you average all these out together, you're sitting right around 75 to 80% if you take the middle. If you look at 75 to 80% pump up in price, that's putting us right around this level up here, probably close to our first buy limit, which is definitely around this area, about $2. $2 and about 10 cents. I do believe we could see ADA at this level before the quarter one of next year is done, before April 1st of next year. That's why I've been so bullish. We are seeing that money is now, from a market cap perspective, moving into ADA, which is giving it some more bullishness. Money was completely dumping out, and we're getting more bullish. This is a good sign. Now watch this, guys. The indicators. Make sure you guys are picking up the price risk while money flow, the trend exhaustion, and the trend dashboard today. You guys literally have 4 days left, and I'm not going to have these indicators lower than this ever again. It's your last chance to get them this low. Seriously. So make sure you guys get those. What I want you guys to observe is this. When the trend exhaustion pushes into the top red section, what are we seeing happen in price? We don't cherry pick on this channel. I want you guys just to watch. I don't care if there's whatever. Watch. When we push up here, we are seeing the price move back down. When we push up here, the price could not head up any further, and we saw it move back down. Even on this move here, we had to create a higher low formation before we moved back up. As well as over here, we saw this move back down. We did not hit the top section here, but we definitely did over here. Well, money flow is high as well, and this is right in this area where we could not head up any further, and we saw the drop. All right, previous time before that was over here when we're at the high, and yes, we were able to predict this drop back down in the market. Well, money flow high, trend exhaustion is high. That's how we're able to call the drops. Every single time you guys see the trend exhaustion move in the top red section, you have seen a drop in the price. This is ridiculous. Like, Some of you guys, like, I want to wake you up and like, just like, come on. Do you guys realize the accuracy of what we're able to do over here? Like, I know this didn't hit the top red section, but let's just take a look. What happened with price? We moved back down. Guys, I have some traders that they use our system, but they're taking a portion of their account and trading the trend exhaustion and price versus while money flow. I have a guy who made $20,000 already, another guy who's done tens of thousands of dollars, and this is all they're doing. They're like, oh, I wonder what's going to happen with crypto today. They literally just look at the trend exhaustion, and they're like, is the trend exhaustion in the top red section? Is the price versus while money flow, the while money flow is in green and the price is in pink here. Is it high as well? When these are both high, guys, this is the perfect example for a drop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Every single drop we can see in here, and I'm not going to call this as an eighth one because we didn't get to the top red section, but when well money flow was super high here, higher than these levels, and we pushed up, that's where we saw a drop as well. So you guys are like, awesome, you know, that's really cool for everyone who's shorting, but then look at the pump moves up here. I'm spending more time on this because you guys need to see this. When we're hitting the bottom sections, what's happening with crypto? We're seeing moves back up. What does that mean? Profit. We're at the bottom section. You guys are not seeing any drawdown. You're making profit. Bottom red section here, what are you seeing? Hardly any drawdown, if not any at all, where you're seeing profit. Here, hardly any drawdown, strict profit. When you saw a drop down in the market on this, guys, we ended up seeing the move back up here as well. And even when we hit over here, we saw this move back up correlated, and we hit at the bottom red section right here where this had to come down. We saw these candles, and then we saw a move back up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 calls in a row to call the tops and the bottoms of crypto. That is why we have traders doing ridiculous trades over here. And guys, once you start seeing this, and I spend more time like I'm doing on this video, doesn't this now make sense why we've never lost a trade? You guys are going to be able to get the trend exhaustion, the price versus while money flow in the description today. You have 4 days left to get this, and I'm upping the price of all of these. You guys have my word. It's going to go up literally January 1st. It was going to go up January 2nd because I was going to do a New Year's special. I said, you know what? I'm not going to do that. I'm going to give you guys full warning. You have 4 days left, and they're going to go up. Why do I show you all this? It's to show us what we can do right now. Here's what I'm watching for. We are in the middle section of the trend exhaustion. So what is the next look we need to watch for on ADA? Either a move down or a move up. And what am I going to be watching for? If we see a move down in price structure here, okay, this moving down, and we hit the bottom red section, this is where I'm going to expect what? A move back up, guys. This is where I'm looking for that move back up. It is so good that we've pushed into an uptrend because we now have the trend exhaustion down here to help us move back up when we get down to the bottom section here. If we start moving back up, I'm not going to just tell you guys we're going to keep pumping. That's like, it's just lying to you guys. No, the next time we get in the top red section up here, how about we actually look at the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 times in a row we have dropped. So I'm not going to try to just tell you guys it's going to be peaches and cream forever. The next time we hit this section up here, we're probably going to drop back down in the price because we've seen it every single time. Start trading with this, and you're going to actually feel confidence waking up in the morning, getting out of your bed, flipping open your laptop, turning on your monitor, and you're going to be like, I've got 2 indicators that can literally help me predict the crypto markets. The global crypto markets, you guys can help predict them with. It's incredible. Make sure you guys snag these. Let's go over now, and let's get over into the metrics for ADA, and then I'll show you guys how to get into our trade setups so you guys can literally take all these trades with me. Because I'm trading with my own money. You guys have seen this, unless you're brand new. We're up about 2.6%. You guys are like, that's not a lot. It's actually a lot because most people are down still about 30 to 40% right now based off the crash, and we are actually up here about 2%. Even when we injected $50,000 in here, we only went down 7.8%. The Telegram channel says 7.6%, and I showed you guys a screenshot. We did end up moving down a little bit after that, so it was 7.8% total in the account that we moved down. 7.8 in the market crash. I'm talking about the crash. We've been trading through this whole thing. We went down 7.8. That's it. I'm teaching you guys how to stay confident and how to actually trade successfully over here with good risk management. Okay. The emotional index is pushed up very high into the greedy, close to the greedy and excited section. We may actually see this push into greedy today because this is going to update at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time here, literally in 10 minutes here. This is going to update. So watching this, I want you guys to see what's going to happen in the market here. When retail traders get excited, can you see what's happened in the past? The markets move down. The markets move back down. So I am watching for 88 to see some type of a move back down, unless Bitcoin and Ethereum can get its act together over here, and Ethereum can actually start seeing a pump back up. Once we broke this ascending support line, guys, it was a move back down. If you guys watched the video I did, I said we're heading closer to the top of the trend exhaustion and well money flow, so I'm looking for this to see more of a move down than a move back up. You guys, how did we call that? Again, price versus well money flow, trend exhaustion. Get those indicators. Bitcoin over here. What were we looking at? Trend exhaustion high, well money flow high. What was I expecting? A drop down. What do we get? Exactly what we expected. Why? Because of the two indicators. Seriously, 4 days left. Do not miss this, okay? I'll send out an email with when we have 48 hours left in 24, but just I would snag these. Okay. I'm being a little more aggressive here because I know people are going to ask me after January 2nd and be like, sorry guys, I told you plenty of time. Okay, long versus short trades in the market here. This is actually on the blockchain for Bitfinex that we're literally looking at trades here. Update every single day. Long trades are dipping out a little bit here. Short trades are actually increasing a little bit. So this is a little bit of a bullish sentiment for blockchain trades, okay? So that we could see a move back down here. Let's continue. Long versus short trade risk. The risk has been sitting on long trades. How do you know this? Because the favor is where the actual blue metric line is. Where is it? What is it saying? Where's the blue line, guys? Great short trade, good short trade. This is where we're sitting. And this is also coincided to some metrics I'm going to show you guys down here a little bit. Let's continue down here. Well and institutional smart money. These guys have been coming out here and they've been acquiring these short trades here very strongly on this pump move up here. Now, something very interesting happened. I do think that this was actually somewhat of an emotional pump by retail traders. Why? Because it wasn't sustainable and we actually moved down so fast. That's how you can actually tell sometimes when it's a retail trader pump is how fast do you move down afterwards. That's actually honestly one of the secrets behind like the charts of telling who was behind this move. If it was wells and institutions, they usually like to hold a little bit longer and we'll get some higher lows, and because they like to actually get people. If you guys watch my AVA, the Avalanche video, you'll understand. But what institutions like to see pumps and they like to see the continuation so they can exit on the continuation move up. It's actually very hard for institutions to exit here because they're trying to exit with all the other retail traders. So it actually gives them incredible slippage in their accounts because everyone's trying to sell at the exact same time. So most likely these are emotional pumps by retail traders. So sometimes you guys are actually going to see where wells and institutions will go into short trades and the price will go up. So what they did here is they drastically removed their short trades and they pushed it back more towards break even, we're closer to long trades. So I want you guys to watch this here over this week, because if we start moving back down in price structure, I can almost guarantee you, I'm not sure, but I'm almost can positively guarantee you guys that sorry, I just heard what I said. It was kind of funny. I can almost guarantee you guys that as this heads back down here, we're going to see this metric come out here, and we're probably going to see wells and institutions buy this, because what's going to happen is if we move back down, this is going to become more into the neutral section. If we ever hit anxiousness again, I can guarantee you guys when the market is anxious, we're going to start seeing, the institutions start coming out here and buying these long trades, and that's how they're making all their money. They're all in the profit. Look at this. Any single person who bought at any of these times with the institutions from this level on is all what? They're in the profit. That's very clear. We can see it right here. That's why I trade with these guys. And that's how we've not lost a trade. Part of the reasons why. Support and resistance prices in the market. Here's the next resistance. Quarters theory level of 175. Where's the next structure support? It's at 133. So 175, 133. Let's take a look. 175 on the chart is up here. This is the next target we're looking to aim for. 133 is the structure support right down here. Okay. I'm currently in this trade. So I'm currently down 21.03%, and we're still doing great. Why? Because we have diversification and we've been into different coins. This is a reason why. Let me just take a quick 10 seconds here. Diversify your portfolio. Because guys, did you know there's actually a Bible verse about this? Someone shared it with me. It's actually, I better quote this quickly. Wow, not even close. It's called Ecclesiastes 1:2. Okay, so here's the Bible verse I was looking for. It's Ecclesiastes 11:2, not 1:2. So it says this: invest in 7 ventures, yes, in 8. Do you not know what disaster may come upon the land? So the reason why I'm telling you guys that, I thought it was so interesting that diversification is so important when we're getting into these trades here. And when we have one trade that's down, right now about 21.03%, you're right around this area. Let me get to the price here. Around 21.68. The reason why we diversify is because we could see one coin that just goes down before all the other ones do. It was kind of crazy. My buddy sent things like, dude, it's actually in the Bible. And so when I saw that, I thought it was really interesting that, diversification is really key when it comes to trading. So that's just what I want to share with you guys. So I'll cut this video and we'll move on to the next section here. Let's come down here. Dollar cost average entries. Those of you guys who are looking at the entries here, I want you guys to be understanding this. When you dollar cost average for diamond hand holding, it is best to look for low points in the market. There's a theory out there that dollar cost averaging happens like every Friday or every single first of the month. It is actually mathematically better to come out here and get into entries with dollar cost average entries with a metric like this, so you're at least getting into the lower positions for prices when you hold to the upside, okay? All right, exit points. This is coming out and showing us an exit point on the chart here for ADA. Now, I do believe this is coinciding with a possible drop we're going to see back down, and we've actually already seen the drop in the market here on ADA, all right? So what I'm looking for here is this. If the trend exhaustion, like I showed you guys already in this video, if we move down to the bottom section, I am looking for a move back up. The accuracy of this is insane, so definitely be watching that. Let me transition right now into this video to show you guys how to take our trades and how we're actually winning all these trades here. Because when we take a look at the profits, this guy in here did $6,000 in a bear run on ADA, okay? So this guy's in here and he's like, I made $6,000 on ADA. So I'm bullish on ADA as well. I will hold you guys rock. I started trading in December 3rd, literally right before the crash. I held fast, bought the present limits, and I have made a nice $6,000 in the bear run. So great job, man, for that. This guy made $7,000 on 88 in mana. So people are still making money. We're still making money in this market. So here's the deal with the pricing, guys. This is the cheapest membership you guys can get online for our win rate. It's only $49 a month. I purposely don't have it, $100 to $400 because I want you guys who have just $1,000 in here to start winning trades and learn this. And I want you guys to be able to get in here at a cheaper price. Yeah, I've got millionaires in here, literally institutions and people who have millions of dollars only paying $49 a month. That's fine. I don't care. I love helping you guys. I want to make it available to more people. With that said, I am going to be looking to up this price because we are going to be hiring more employees on because we're exploding so fast because of the demand that we literally are the highest win rate channel on YouTube. So we're growing fast and we need to pay for more employees. This is going to give you access to all the metrics up here, but this is going to give you access to the live trades. Every single one of our 100 wins we have taken over here on the charts. All of them have been taken from this one single page under the live trades. We're obviously talking today about Cardano, which you guys can see right here. So click into here for the new buy limits. So I'm going to show you guys today Bitcoin, and we may actually have updated buy limits today if this says the 28th. We do. So this is the official buy limits updated on the 28th. How do you know that? Because this is hard-coded into the exchange, and it says updated for 12/28. Here's what you guys are going to do. What you're going to do is you're going to put $1,000, or let's say this, reverse. You guys take the amount you want to trade with. It doesn't matter if it's 1,000, 4,000, 10,000, you pick the amount. You're going to take the amount and split it into 4 equal portions. So $250 each in this example because 4 portions of 1,000 is $250, okay? 25% of your trade allocation is going to go at each buy limit, okay? Each of these buy limits in the market. Once you guys have these 4 buy limits set up, you guys want to keep all the buy limits where they're at. Okay, keep all of them where they're at. And then once you guys have your first buy limit hit, set your sell limit up in your exchange for 100% exit. Now there's most likely what's going to happen is I'm going to call an exit before we get there. That's just in case we pump up overnight and we see a few super fast, bull market run. That's to get us out and get some jackpot moves. But here's what you guys want to do. Sign up on Telegram on your phone or your computer first, and then come over here and click this link right here, Telegram channel here. This is going to give you guys access directly into the Telegram channel where I'm calling exits with the indicators. And you guys can see that I'm doing this over here with the price for swell money flow and the trend exhaustion. Here's the deal on the indicators. You guys want to get these today. I'm not going to make this long. You guys get 84% off all of our indicators. Okay. At minimum, you guys need the price for swell money flow, the trend dashboard, and the trend exhaustion in order to copy my charts. You guys are going to be able to get these for about 58 to 60% off with coupon code SAVEMONEY. You guys can use that, that's fine. Few more dollars, you guys get the bundle pack, and you guys get 6 indicators on top of these 3, and that brings your total to 9 indicators with the bundle pack. On top of this, I'm going to up the price $50 at the end of the month for the bundle pack. So this is the lowest you guys, like I said in the beginning of the video, it's the lowest you will ever receive our indicators for. It's from now until Friday. Okay, Friday is the last day you guys can get this. Click this link right here and then enter coupon code Christmas at checkout. Okay, it doesn't matter if you guys capitalize it, doesn't matter if you guys lowercase it. Christmas will give you guys the biggest discount, and it's going to go up $50. I'm going to be upping the price of the price for swell money flow, the trend dashboard, and trend exhaustion in the next months to come. So make sure you guys are watching out for that. Last but not least, if you guys have individually purchased any of our individual indicators, let's say you guys purchased the price for swell money flow, and you guys want to get the bundle pack today because it's going to be on super crazy discount for the next 4 days. I will allow you guys to email in. Just email us at btradeconfident@gmail.com, and I will send you guys a PayPal invoice and just pay the difference, and I'll give you guys all 7 indicators, all 9, because if you guys have 2, you'll get 7 because there's 9 total. If you just got one like the trend exhaustion, you guys pay the difference, and you guys will get 8 because there's 9 total. No matter, even if you guys have purchased the trend exhaustion and the price for swell money flow, whatever you have paid, we'll look it up and we'll just take that against the bundle pack and we'll honor that and give everybody the most cheapest discount possible on the bundle pack price for the next 4 days. I will honor that for you guys. Email us at btradeconfident@gmail.com and my whole entire team knows to give you guys that discount. No questions asked. Say, I bought these indicators. I would like the discount to the bundle pack. Send me the difference and give me all the indicators. And we'll be like, absolutely glad to do. And we'll send it over to you guys today for the next 4 days. Have an amazing time with that, because these indicators, guys, are calling the crazy pumps and dumps in the market. And this is how we're going to start predicting moves into the future, as we have already, and how we're going to go into 2022 and try to crush this. And we're going to try to go for 200 wins in 2022. Guys, keep your head up. I'm in this trade with you guys. I'm going to most likely be holding into the profit here. If we close this trade into a loss, I will count it as a loss over here. But I am still holding this because I do believe we could see, like I showed you guys, a percentage move up here into about $2. And I do think that could happen based off the dominance as well as the percentages we've seen in the past here. So make sure you guys are getting the indicators set up before those go up in price. Get those today. The indicators in the description. Get those before they go up in price. Make sure you guys get our membership before that goes up in price as well. Okay, that's just $49 a month. And then making sure you guys are getting into the buy limits and then get into the Telegram channel where I'll be calling exits with the indicators. You guys are the most amazing people in the world. I appreciate you so much. God bless you. Have an amazing, amazing, amazing day. And I will come out with some more videos, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. But if you have any questions, email us at btradeconfident@gmail.com and we'll be there to answer everything. Guys, everything you need is in the description. Get the indicators as well as the membership before those go up in price. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Let's make some money. We'll see you guys. Bye-bye.